In today's video, I'm going to show you how to react on Telegram messages quickly and easily on the desktop app. Whether you want to send a simple thumbs up, a heart, a laugh or any other emoji reaction, this is a super fast way to respond without typing a full message. It's a small feature, but it's really useful for keeping conversations active, showing agreement, or replying in a more natural and visual way. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Telegram desktop app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on your chat list, open the conversation that contains the message you want to react to. Telegram makes this very simple, and the reaction tools are built right to the message itself, so you don't need to open any extra menus or settings. Now, for the quickest method, move your mouse over the message you want to react to. When you hover over it, you'll see a small emoji icon appear near the top right corner of the message. This is the reaction button. Click that emoji icon, and Telegram will show you the available emoji reactions. From there, just select the emoji you want to use. As soon as you click it, your reaction will be applied to that message instantly. This hover method is great when you want a fast reaction and you already know what emoji you want to use. It keeps everything smooth and easy, especially if you're reacting to several messages in a chat. If you want more specific options, there's another easy way. Right-click on the message you want to react to. When the menu appears, you'll see a list of actions including reaction options. Choose your preferred reaction from the menu, and Telegram will add it to the message for you. This is helpful if you want a little more control, or you prefer using the context menu instead of hovering. Depending on your version of Telegram, you may see a few different emoji choices, or a small set of quick reactions. Either way, the process is still very simple. Find the message, open the reaction picker, and choose the emoji that best matches your response. If you change your mind, you can usually click the reaction again to adjust it or remove it, depending on Telegram's current behavior and the chat settings. So if you accidentally hit the wrong emoji, don't worry, it's easy to correct. And that's it. You now know how to react on Telegram messages using the desktop app, both with the quick hover method and the right-click menu method. It only takes a second, but it can make your chats feel much more interactive and expressive. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful app tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.